Hi everyone, this is Corey from My Amazon Guy. Today I wanted to talk to you about some of the changes in the Subscribe and Save program on Amazon. As a reminder, the Subscribe and Save program is a program that allows customers to save money on purchases if they subscribe to your product, so that each month a order is placed automatically and sent to them from your inventory. So if you take a look at the screen here, you'll see an example of a product that has the Subscribe and Save program enabled. Here you see that they can make a one-time purchase, or they can select Subscribe and Save and receive a small discount. To get to that section on Amazon to enroll products, first you have to log into Seller Central, go to Settings, and see the drop down here to Fulfillment by Amazon. Go ahead, click on that. This will bring up your fulfillment settings on Amazon. Scroll down until you see the program, and under subscription settings you can see Subscribe and Save. If you click on Manage Subscribe and Save Options, here you go, it'll bring it up. So some of the changes that have been made recently are, well, the biggest one is that you can no longer manually upload products into this program. Amazon is now auto-enrolling all products that are eligible into the program. So if your product is eligible, Amazon will go ahead and automatically enroll it if it meets the requirements. Another change into this program is that Amazon is now offering more discounts and allowing the seller to include more discounts into this Subscribe and Save program. The default discount is 5%, and that's covered by Amazon. But you can also offer your own discount of 5 or 10% on top of that Amazon provided discount. Amazon has noticed, and through their research have found, that between 10 and 15% discounts increases the drive of traffic by up to 1.8 times more. So if you take a look here in this program, in the Subscribe and Save screen, you see there's an example. Here's that one we looked at on the detail page. If you look over here on Actions, if you click on this and you scroll down, you can see Choose Seller Fulfilled Discount. This will bring up the screen. If you pick 0, that means your discount will be 5%. That's that 5% provided by Amazon. You could choose 5% or 10% to go all the way up to a 15% discount. This will allow you to increase traffic and increase conversions on your listing by offering a greater discount for this Subscribe and Save program. So those are just quick changes that were made to this program. It's automatically enrolled now, and you can offer more discounts by offering it yourself, as opposed to just allowing Amazon to make the discounts. Thank you for watching the video. For any other tips and tricks for Amazon, visit our website at myamazonguy.com, and thanks again for watching.